Hello, everybody. Daddy, don't get in front. As you can see, we are building an igloo because I'm wearing a jacket because it's freezing. Brr. I'm still a little cold. But let's get started, guys. Okay, first of all, we need ice. No! Mister!
Hey.
I put him in water. I tried to see you up. Okay, let's start building, Daddy. Daddy, build. Daddy.
Oh, what do you want me to build?
We're building an igloo, didn't you hear?
No. So we're building an igloo. Igloos aren't made out of ice.
They are. They're not made out of water.
Alright. Hey, there's a village over there.
Yes, I spawned us near a village.
Oh.
You
with
can't spawn
a
near ice.
villager outpost right next to it.
I know. I know how to deal with it.
Well, you just go over here and you break the iron golems out. There we go.
Or, do you know my favorite thing? To do this.
Oh, we have LAs over here.
Kill them.
Oh, they're the good guys. Oh, and you're burning down the... Do you know burning this down will not remove it?
It will not?
Well, they'll still spawn.
I know. But the good guy's dead. Their leader's dead.
Okay, well, you might as well just let it burn down now.
No. I must destroy it. Okay. Well, we're making an igloo. Oh. It's already made. Wow.
What's already made?
The igloo.
Is your igloo catching on fire?
Yes.
Maybe you shouldn't have, like...
It's ice, actually. It was already made.
Oh, so hold on, you found an igloo?
Yes, but
You know,
we
next
need
time you need to start a fire, you just use these instead of lava.
I must go in. I will.
Okay, so where's this igloo?
Well, it's made out of ice. I don't know what igloo are made out of.
They're made out of snow. I mean, so maybe maybe some of them are made out of ice. I don't know. I'm not a igloo dwelling person. This one over here is made out of snow. It's got a villager sleeping in it.
I destroyed it.
Why are you destroying the igloos?
Because we're building our own. Why wouldn't we need others? Okay, let's start building it.
Alright.
Igloos are circle.
Are you sure you don't want to use the ice that like people can't see through?
Oh yeah.
Maybe use I guess we should get out the shovels.
This is not a circle.
Okay.
This is still not a circle.
No, it's not. You gotta kind of go like this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2,
It's
3.
still a little.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2.
Wait. I'm getting us fight. We're going to fight with these. Okay? Not fight each other though. And then build on top of these. Build 2 more blocks up so that we can destroy part. So that we can destroy a path for a door.
Alright.
There.
That's a door.
Uh,
And let's put another door there, there, and there. 4 doors.
Oh, also, since I killed him, I get as a welcome sign to make them feel welcomed. Look, Daddy. They're all staring at you.
And who is they? Oh my goodness. That is intimidating. Hey, what are you doing?
Good job. Also, you need an ice chimney. Igloos have ice chimneys in the middle.
Chimney?
Yeah. And if you want to sing, if you've seen like movies where they sing chim 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 chimney, you can sing that, or if you have it on your playlist, you can sing it.
Because it's a chimney?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, so we're gonna put
A fire.
these down.
Okay, give me a fire.
There we go. Oh, wow. Why is it so tall?
Hey.
No,
Look,
just go
look.
like this. That. And that. There. Now it's got a nice chimney. See? Does that work for you?
Yeah. Oh yeah, I forgot to do this. And this. And this.
Okay.
And got one more. And this.
Let's go back to the shovel. And connect this up with the rest of the city. And we need slabs. I guess these will work.
Connect this up with the rest of the town.
Yeah, I have to take care of something out here real quick. Just don't listen too closely.
Get rid of the cat. 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 Oh, also, he's my dad. Just in case you don't know. This is connecting up with this
Cat's
cat.
gone. Okay. There we go.
Oh, Daddy, can you make a sign that says village and then, like, make a giant arrow pointing to the village?
Okay.
Baby cat, get. Hey, you're messing up my work.
Do one of these.
You'll pay for that.
And then,
Bad kitty.
like right here. And then, right there. Okay. Okay. And then,
Oh yes,
grab one
you
of
did hear a
these.
door.
nobody
That
heard the door.
is my sister. We heard the door. You heard the door.
Okay, fine. You heard the door.
Well, I did.
And then I'm gonna go like that.
And
And then
You may think I really want to record with this Ella. No.
There we go. There's your.
don't.
What?
We are not.
Why is it not say? Oh. That's interesting. And then I'm gonna need a glow ink sac. And then we're gonna make this look pretty. And then that look pretty. And then we need
Wait. I
change
know. Daddy, wait. I know how to make it extra pretty.
and then go like that. That. There we go. There's your sign that says village.
Wait, you forgot one thing. You can go like, Daddy, look at it now.
Okay, that is very neat.
You can, if you get a color of dye, you can change the color. You can make it a color.
Yeah, I like that a lot.
And I did.
You are just digging so many holes around
This
here.
way. Okay.
Okay, so boom,
It's
boom,
really easy
boom,
to do that.
boom,
Jim.
boom. There we go. All right. Okay. let me come
Inside
inside the house.
details.
Inside details for what? The igloo?
Yes.
Okay.
Also, we need Shidamans.
Huh. What happened in here?
Oh.
That all my
The bed.
flooring got undone.
Oh, that is for the bed. The beds
Okay.
can't go on here. Details can't go on this.
Oh, I know. That's just go like this, and then do a fence. I think this one looks good. And then put that there, and then do a pressure plate. Ooh, bamboo. Like the way that bamboo looks, and there we go. Little dining area.
What about the kitchen? Wait, I know. We need a... Oh, also, let's make a
kitchen's
mail.
done.
Let's make a mail station.
Okay, we need to go.
I know what a mail station is. This,
That's
and
a
then
mailbox.
yeah, a mailbox. Look, it's like, so if you want to mail somebody, you can always.
If you want to send a letter through the post.
Wait, no, like every ender chest
Mm-hmm.
will have the same one. So every
Excuse me.
person. Oh, well, sorry everybody, but it's time to wrap up and say 1, 2. Wait, no, I didn't mean to say 1, 2. That's the back. Don't look at me. Daddy, get next to me. Next to me. Not on the... Okay. Good. Wait. 1, 2, 3, wave. Bye.